Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I have a John Deere Gator 625i. I'm going to go down here and underneath and show you how to remove that thermostat and replace it with a new one. So stick around and I'll get right into it. Go ahead and loosen this clamp up, take the 5/16 socket and pull this off. You need to get it out of your way. Now go right down underneath here, right there. Now this bolt right here is a 12 millimeter and that's how you'll drain your water. I'm going to go down here right now and remove that clamp and remove that hose right there.
You can also remove the radiator cap, and that will cause air to get down through there so that the water will flush out as well.
The water just flushes out. It's all got to come out because that is where the thermostat is located. Now if you got everything drained, go ahead and put this bolt back up in here so that you don't lose it. And there's 4 hoses I'm going to take off. You got 2 on the right side, 1 on the left and 1 in the back. This one here and this one down here, small one, takes a 6 millimeter socket or wrench. This one over here takes a 5/16 socket or wrench. And the one in the back, it will probably also take a 6 millimeter, but I'm not sure. If it's not a 6 millimeter, it'll be a 5/16. But I'm going to go ahead and break all those loose. Now as you can see from the top, you have 2 hoses on the left, 2 hoses on the right. You have these 2 10 millimeter bolts that have to come out that's holding the thermostat housing in place. I can go ahead and move this around and I can take these hoses here off. They're a little tight, but it's going to take both hands. This is the thermostat housing and it's hooked up just like this. So you got this hose, and that hose. I left the other hose on there. And if you can see back in there, you can see the other 3 hoses right there. Now let's go see what's inside this. Now what I'm going to have to do is take out this bolt down here, and this bolt right here in order to remove the thermostat, which is inside here. These are 10 millimeter. Okay, this is the old thermostat. I'm going to put a new one in it and see if that works. This is the new thermostat. That's the number that I purchased. It is exactly like the one that came out. $62 and some change is what this costed from John Deere. Now here's how it goes back in, just like so. This will go to the back, to the left. You got a top one to the left. You got this big one to the right. 4 hoses. Very simple to put in. Now I'll go ahead and mount it back up on there. I'm going to put the hoses on first. You got 3 hoses that's off, and a 4th one actually goes to the motor itself because I left that little hose on there. I'm hoping you'll be able to see this. Okay. This one right here goes right here. This one here will go right here. This one here. And it takes 2 hands to do this. We'll go right there. And I got this one back here in the back. This is going to go on right here. Now I'm going to bolt this up before I tighten those clamps down. Now I'll go ahead and tighten the clamps up. Okay, there it is. I got all the hoses tightened back down. Now all I got to do is put water back in the system to make sure nothing leaks before I add antifreeze, because I can always empty it out and add the antifreeze. That way if I got a leak somewhere, I'm not wasting money on putting antifreeze in it. Also, if you look to the top right of the screen, you'll see a link. I'll show you how to bleed the system after you put water in it. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.